Hi, I'm Jordan from Charles Glen Toyota Scion in Calgary's Northwest Auto Mall. This is the 2013 totally redesigned Toyota RAV4. This is the limited package, so we have the nice 18-inch alloy wheels on this, integrated turn signal mirrors, as well as the smart keyless entry. One of the biggest things on the new RAV4 that you'll notice is actually just on the back end of the vehicle, we actually have a full power tailgate now instead of the barn style door that you would open up. This allows for tighter maneuvering, opens up nicer. You also have some nice really chrome detailing here around the windows, gives it a sporty look, as well as this particular model features blind spot monitoring and navigation. So we'll take you on a test drive now, and hope you like it. Now we're just doing some city driving right now, and the RAV4 is extremely capable of pickup power, braking power, and just overall comfort. You can see the totally new redesigned dash here with nice leather stitching, our push button start, leather wrapped steering wheel with mounted audio controls and Bluetooth, as well as the dual zone temperature climate control. Down here we have our Eco and Sport mode buttons. And what that's going to do is our Eco mode will limit the RPM, so for city driving, if you're in stop and go traffic, it's going to limit the RPMs and the rate at which the vehicle shifts, so that it'll give you optimum fuel economy. And your Sport mode is going to let the vehicle rev higher and shift quicker. A little heavier on gas, obviously, but it's a nice feature for someone that's looking for a little bit more of a sporty drive. The navigation interface is really easy to use, especially when you are driving. So quickly go to your map, to the audio system, which is currently off, and your attention is really focused on the road. The power moonroof is really nice. We just have the shade closed right now just to prevent against as much glare as we possibly can. But I find that the visibility out of this RAV4, the redesigned, compared to the previous generation, they've really done a nice job on the design so that it maximizes the visibility for the driver and just gives you total usability of the vehicle. It's simple, it's easy to use, everything is right in front of you. You have your mirrors down here, the blind spot monitoring is a phenomenal feature on this model, something for the first time in the 2013. So the transmission as well, you can pop it into the Sport mode, which will let me shift manually, as many vehicles do these days, but primarily I just like to keep the vehicle just in regular drive mode. So now we'll take you on some highway driving, and we'll test the acceleration of the vehicle and some of the passing power. So now we're just heading west on Stony Trail, and it's a very, very windy day out here in Calgary right now, but the wind noise is actually quite subdued. It's a nice surprise for a compact entry-level crossover utility vehicle. And the handling on the highway, it's very soft, like a typical Toyota would be, and it's a very, very comfortable ride. Passing power is not lacking whatsoever, and I should tell you, the blind spot monitoring is really handy, especially on the highway with all the other drivers. So when you do hit that 100 to 120 range, your engine sound, you are going to hear it more so than you normally would, but it's not a loud whining noise like you might find in other vehicles in this class, but it's more of almost a sporty sound, a little bit more aggressive, so it's a nice treat to have that on the RAV4. Well, we hope you enjoyed our test drive video today. For this and other vehicles, visit our website at www.gettoyota.com or visit us in our dealership at Charles Glen Toyota in the Northwest Auto Mall in Calgary, Alberta. We hope to see you soon.